How to set up deep work. 3-step ritual that triggers focus fast. If you can't focus for more than 20 minutes without checking your phone, this 3-step deep work setup ritual will let you enter focused work in under 5 minutes and sustain it for hours. It's not about willpower. It's about building a reliable entry sequence. Most people fail at deep work before they even begin. They open their laptop, scan notifications, rearrange their desk, adjust music, reread notes, and call it preparation. It feels productive, but it silently fractures attention before real work starts. Deep work doesn't begin with effort. It begins with controlled entry. If the entry is messy, the session will be unstable. And that's exactly what this ritual fixes. This is a 3-step pre-work activation protocol. You run it before every deep work session. Same order. No variation. That repetition is what trains your brain to associate the sequence with focused output. Step 1 is task compression. Before you start, define one specific outcome for the session. Not work on project. Instead, write 800 words, solve problem 3, design section 2, complete slides 5 to 10. The outcome must be concrete and measurable. Your brain resists ambiguity. If the task is vague, friction rises because your mind has to constantly decide what to do next. Compression removes that uncertainty and replaces it with a clear execution target. Once you define the outcome, write it on paper or a sticky note and place it in front of you. That becomes your cognitive anchor. Every time your attention drifts, your eyes return to that single defined objective. Step 2 is environment reset. You are not cleaning. You are removing visual decision triggers that compete for your attention. Every visible object or open tab represents a potential switch in focus. Clear everything except what is required for this single task. Close unrelated tabs. Silence notifications. Phone out of reach, not face down on the desk. Out of sight reduces psychological pull. Every visible alternative is an invitation to switch attention. The reset removes those invitations before they compete for focus, lowering the number of decisions your brain must resist. Now comes the most important part. Step 3 is the 60-second activation. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Start working immediately, even if it feels shallow or imperfect. Do not optimize. Do not refine your plan. Just begin producing. Do not judge quality. Do not evaluate progress. Just move your hands. Write the first sentence. Solve the first step. Sketch the rough version. Action precedes clarity. This breaks the inertia barrier. Starting imperfectly is more powerful than planning perfectly because momentum reduces resistance faster than thinking does. Most people wait to feel ready. That feeling never comes on demand. Activation creates readiness, not the other way around. When the 60 seconds end, continue into a 25, 45, or 90-minute focus block. The ritual is complete. You're now in deep work mode because you've defined the target, removed alternatives, and triggered momentum. Here's the constraint. Never skip the ritual, even on good days. The power of this system is consistency. When your brain recognizes the sequence, define, reset, activate, it begins associating it with focused execution. The repetition strengthens the neural pattern. After a week, entry friction drops dramatically. After a month, the switch becomes automatic. You stop trying to focus and start triggering focus. If you struggle with distractions even after starting, the next system you need is the focus barrier rule. That's where we eliminate interruptions before they happen, so once you enter deep work, you can actually stay there.